Hello friends! Welcome to Electrical Design Engineering YouTube channel. You can watch my videos in your language. Follow the steps to set your language. Step 1. Click the gear icon. Step 2. Select audio track. Step 3. Select your language. You may contact me for industrial design substation layout power system studies on +9 1700 647 4688 call or WhatsApp.
Welcome to Electrical Design Engineering YouTube channel. This is the question asked by some subscribers. These are total 5 questions. The link of this Google form is given in the description. If you have any question, you can ask it. These are the 5 questions. Mr. Mukhtar, Vinod Kumar, Alexa MG, Javnishi, Javnishi. These are the some question subscribers which have asked the question. We will go for individual one. And here we will see the first question. The first question is from Obi Sanuju. I am not able to pronounce this name. This is from the country Nigeria, and he wants to know how to install the ETAP free. He wants to know how we can install the ETAP software free. Brother, this is against the policy of the YouTube that we do not discuss any paid software, how you can install this free of cost. But the one thing is that ETAP is providing a demo version of the ETAP for 1 month. You can install that. For that, you can see my two lectures. One is this lecture, the screenshot of which is shown here, and another is lecture number 24. You can go and watch these things. Now, the second question is it is from the Mukhtar. It is from Libya, and the question is, I want about the grid codes for integration of PV system and for quality assessment. I think this question was already previously discussed in the previous lecture. That is this lecture, the screenshot of which is shown here. You can go and watch this lecture. I have told you how you can. I do not have grid codes, but I have some research papers and you can study these research papers about the grid codes for integration of PV system and power quality assessment. And one thing is here attached some picture here. I will see what is the picture. This is the picture. I want this webinar, please. I do not have link of this webinar where which you have posted. If this was posted in my group, in our group, that electrical design, you can ask the person who has posted it. I do not have this link. Thank you. Now the third question is from Vinod Kumar, India. What is please send the link of the SCADA and tutorial class to me. Actually, I do not have the link of the tutorial class. Actually, Mr. Zulfi, one of the member of the our electrical design engineering WhatsApp group, has posted this that I have a SCADA tutorial and I will give it free. You can contact that person. This person, you can note down the this WhatsApp number his and message him that you are saying we will provide a free a 5 GB SCADA tutorial, and you can ask him. I do not have. Sorry. Now the fourth question is to Jaivinshu or from India is how to install the ETAP crack versions are kindly advised. I have already discussed this thing in my first question. How you can, what is the that ETAP is not allowing us is the against the policy of YouTube to discuss any crack version here. And now fifth question is from Alice MG Mexico, but is the question is related to short circuit analysis, but he has not typed any question, neither he has added any file. So please, MG, ask the question and attach file if there is any file. You can attach this file here, and I will try to answer your question. Thank you.